Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tare from Gossipfunda. Today we'll look at the iPhone camera app keeps crashing after iOS 18 update. So let us look at the steps that can be used to resolve this error. First, you need to update your software. For this, go to the settings and there click on general. After that, select software update. Make sure that your software has been up to date, which clears any software bugs or glitches and enhances the camera control. Now, the second step is to restart your phone. For this, long press the volume up and volume down button simultaneously with the power button. With the help of this, you will get a slider to switch off your phone. Then again restart your phone after a few seconds. A simple restart can solve errors like the camera not working. Now you need to see the camera settings. For this, go to settings, then search for camera. After that, you need to go to preserve settings. Over here, you need to enable all of them to make sure that the photo and the camera works properly. Now you need to scroll down and see if the smart HDR is turned off. Now, the next thing that can hamper the camera working is a storage issue. So you need to clear storage, as a full storage of images and unnecessary videos may lead to the camera crashing. For this, go to settings. Over there, click on general and then select iPhone storage. Now you can see the photos. Now you can clear whatever photos you want to, delete them and make sure that there is enough storage for your phone to work properly. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.